Do you want to know how you could make money on YouTube even with 100 subscribers? Then keep watching this video. Hey Tovians, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you are new here, you are welcome to this amazing family. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. Hey beautiful Tovians, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it all. Guys, please go support them back. Go subscribe to their YouTube channel. Thank you all. I love you all. If you would like to get a shout from me, all you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment on this video right now, and then you will get a shout out from me. On today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways you could make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber. Being monetized or non-monetized, this method would definitely work for you as a small YouTuber. So if you want to know all about this 5 methods that you can use to make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber, then keep watching this video. Now, the first method you could use to make money on YouTube, even when you're not yet monetized, is to sell your own product. Now, I know a lot of you out there are freelancers, or you just have your own specific product. It could be lashes, it could be any type of hair, or anything you're doing out there. So you want to use YouTube to start selling your product. Now, with this method, you don't really need up to 1,000 subscribers. You don't need 4,000 watch hours. All you need to do is just to present your product anytime you're making your video. So how you could do this is to always use your product anytime you're making a video. For example, let me say I sell wig, and this particular wig is one of them. So what you want to do is to make sure that you're always on that wig anytime you're making a video. So let me take for example this lash I'm wearing right now, and I'm the one selling it. So what I want to do is to ask my subscribers, oh, do you like the lashes I'm wearing today, or do you like the wig I'm wearing today? So this is one of my products, and if you want to get it, you can just click on the link below, or you can follow me on Instagram. So make sure you always leave a link to that product, or make sure you always leave a link to that particular thing that you're selling. It could be on your Instagram page. So you want to make sure that you're getting your subscribers, even if it's 100 subscribers or less or more. So you want to make sure you leave your link below so they can click on it and go get it. Another thing, if your product is something you drink or something you eat, so what you want to do while you're filming your video, you want to make sure that you're drinking that thing or you're eating it, so you can tell your subscribers the benefits along that video, and then you can tell them to go get it for themselves. So that's what you want to do on how you could sell your own product. So your product could be a book that you've written, or someone have written, or you've joined someone to write. Like me, I have a book I've written which is on Amazon, and I've been able to get sales from people just from YouTube. I remember mentioning my book on YouTube while I was making some videos, and I've been able to see lots of sales even after mentioning that. So that really tells me that people did came from YouTube to buy my books. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you're telling people to go buy your product. So make sure you're mentioning your product anytime you're making your video so people can go get it. So anyways, if you're still not getting my book yet, I'm just gonna leave the link below so you can go get the book How to Pray on Amazon by Tovia again. Or if you're a freelancer making something like thumbnails or editing videos for people, you could just tell them you can reach me at this particular number and I can edit your videos or make your thumbnails for you. So these are the things you want to do. This is one way you could make money on YouTube even without having up to 1,000 subscribers or the 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months that YouTube required for. That is what you want to do. So the second method you could use to make money on YouTube even without having 1,000 subscribers is by offering online training program. Now this one really works a lot, and a lot of people really use this to make money on YouTube. So what you want to do is to create a topic that you know people are going to be interested in, and the next thing is to make sure you leave a link to that course or that program that you're going to be offering to people, and then you're going to make sure you mention it on your video anytime you're giving out a new video, or you could just come out and introduce the course, and you can sell this course for £50, £100, and even more, and thousands of pounds. So all you need to do is just to tell people about it and tell them to click on the particular link below or your description, and they should go register for the course. So it is up to you, but just make sure that you're creating a course you know people are going to be interested in, otherwise you still won't make money with a course. So make sure you are at the researching what you know people are going to be interested in, create that course, and then tell people to go apply for it, and you can definitely make money on this because a lot of people have been using it to show people, and that is what have been working for them. Now, the third method that you could use to make money on YouTube is through Google Adsense, and this is called monetization. So I know a lot of you already are aware of this, and for those that still don't know, you could make money on YouTube by just uploading your videos and all of that. So for me, I've recently got monetized on YouTube, and right now I'm earning just some coins, some amount of money on my videos. So all you need to do is to apply to Google Adsense, which could be linked to your YouTube account, and then you start earning money once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So that's all you need to start using Google Adsense to make money on your videos on YouTube. So that again is another method that a lot of people have used to make money on YouTube, and a lot of people have been able to use it to make millions and millions of dollars. So all you want to do is to make sure you sign into Google Adsense, and then make sure you hit the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, and then you start making money on YouTube. And for anyone who may be new to YouTube, so what you need to do is to sign in your Google account or your Gmail, and then the next thing you have to do is to click on the icon where you have maybe your name, the E. For example, this one is E, and if yours is not E, that's fine. So you want to click on that, and then once you're there, you want to just go to your channel. And then since you don't already have a channel, so what you want to do is to click on that setting icon, and then just give your channel a name, whatever name you want to call it. So that's basically you on YouTube with your name. So then you can just start by uploading your videos, and the more you're uploading videos, the more people are watching your videos. So that's how you're going to start earning money on YouTube. So the fourth method that you could use to make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people have been using this, and they've been able to earn a high commission from it. So a lot of people have been using this method to make money on YouTube. So what you want to do is to promote other people's products on your YouTube channel. So you don't really need up to 1,000 subscribers or even more to do this. What you want to do is to reach out to different brands that you like, or you know that your audience are going to be interested in. So tell them why you like their product and why you like to promote their product on your YouTube channel. You don't really need any money to start this. All you need to do is just talk to the brands, and then they will give you a link to their product, which you're going to be sharing on your own YouTube channel, and you can earn a certain commission from that. It could be up to 30% commission, 40%, 50%, and even more, and so on and so forth, and you can earn money on that. Like I said, all you need to do is just to promote other people's product on your own YouTube channel, and once people click on the link that has been given to you and they buy that from your own link, you can earn money from that. You can earn some commission from that, and then you start earning your own money by just promoting other people's products on your own YouTube channel. So the fifth method that you could use to make money on YouTube is by becoming a YouTube consultant. Now, a lot of people have been using this method, and it has been really working for them. So how you could use this method is by reaching out to those big companies, and then you can help them to manage their YouTube channel. You will be there to always watch it, to monitor the day-to-day activities, to post in videos with your expertise on YouTube. Since you have your own YouTube channel and you understand how YouTube runs and how YouTube is being managed, so you could use that same talent for other companies to manage their own YouTube channel, and then you start earning money from that. They will be paying you huge amount of money to just help them monitor their YouTube channel and watch the day-to-day activities on their YouTube channel. So this one is a very good one, and it has really helped a lot of people that I know. So you want to use this to also make money on YouTube, and you don't really need a lot of subscribers to do this, because this is not even affecting your own YouTube channel. All you're doing is helping another brand, another company to grow their own YouTube channel, and you'll be earning money from that. So guys, these are the 5 most effective ways that you could make money on YouTube even without having 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers. You could use this to make money on YouTube. So if you guys would like to see other ways that you can make money on YouTube, or you would like me to go into details more, just make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this video or other type of videos that you would like to see, and I'll bring in more videos on how you can make money on YouTube. Welcome back, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment telling me what you like about this particular video, and if you still haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Turn on your post notifications so you can receive all the notifications once I upload a new video. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you, and bye.